Hi everyone, Scott Smith at Rusnack BMW in sunny Southern California. Check out this new M3 we ordered. It's called Fire Orange. What does that look like, guys? Huh? Remember the old Lime Rock edition we had in the previous generation M3? Ooh, this thing is glowing. So we decided to order up an F80, brand new 2016 in this color. So we thought, hey, it'd be a nice way to have something glowing on the showroom. So you can order a BMW in any paint code that they've ever produced. It is a $5,000 charge, but then you could have basically kind of a one-of-a-kind model. As you can see, we upgraded it, guys, with the black double-ribbed kidney M3 grills there. So nice touch there, a little personalization. No front license plate mount yet, unless the owner wants it drilled in permanently to the bumper. And then you can see you've got the adaptive xenon headlights, that's standard on the M3. And then that amazing front bumper, beautiful signature of the M series family with the M3 and M4. Car's been upgraded with the 19-inch black wheels. Also, you can see your M compound brakes there. 15-inch front rotor. The one in the rear is just slightly smaller. So definitely capable of stopping this car extremely short, especially compared to the competition. Also, your signature rear wheel well diffuser vent with the signature M3 touch there. All right, let's go ahead and head to the back, have a little rev time with Trish. Nice. All right, let's check in here. Go for it, Trish. Awesome. Here, let me pop the hood. We'll be back in a minute. All right, guys, let's go underneath. So it's a 3-liter inline 6. It's got 2 mono scroll turbos in it, guys. Nice. You can see. I keep trying to talk. You got your signature carbon fiber strut brace there. Also, this has got 425 horsepower, guys, at 1500 RPMs, and you have 406 in torque starting out at 1850. Now, BMW's got it ranked at 3.90 to 60, but one of the major car magazines has gotten it to 3.8. Car weighs just under 3,600 pounds, just under 185 inches long. It's got a carbon fiber drive shaft, about 12 pounds lighter than a conventional one. All right, Trish, good job.
Thanks, guys.
How you doing?
Good. This is amazing.
Awesome. Go ahead and jump in the back. Let's show the legroom. Oh.
Unlock it first, sorry.
Okay. Let's do that. That auto lock feature, I forgot to turn off for the video. So without the heel, she's 5'9", guys. We'll see she had the front seat set up comfortably where she was. Some of the accents that they've done on the 16s here, guys. A little accent here next to the window button. How's it feel, Trish? Good?
Plenty
Good
of
leg room?
space, yep.
Cool. Guys, you got the hard racing seat back on these seats. Also, then the silver trim around the vent. That was new for 16 also, too, guys. Cool. And then you got the traditional anthracite black headliner in there. All right, Trish, let's go ahead and go to the back seat. Or, excuse me, to the trunk. Let's do that. Let's see, is that gonna, okay, so we got that, guys. All right, Trish, go ahead and we'll drop the seats.
All right, so the levers for this are right up here on the right and the left portion of the trunk. So you just pull those out, and I'll go ahead and put the seats down.
You got the floor mats included, guys. It's a 60-40 split. You got 12 cubic feet of storage in here. But you can see you got a lot of access to more cargo space. Hey, there she is. So yeah, lots of utility if you need to. Now they do come with traditional performance tires, no run flats on here. So there's a gel pack in case you get a flat. Also, you do have a charging port back here. All right, let's go ahead. Trish's gonna jump in the driver's seat. Let me just do another little walk around on this color here, guys. I don't know when we'll order another one like this. At the time of filming, guys, this car is available. It is for sale. Let me go over this sticker real quick for you, that we can see how it's equipped. Apologize for the focusing, guys. See if we can get this to focus okay for you. go down the list here. You guys can see the options. Go ahead and pause it anytime you want if you want to check it out. Now, some of the additional standard equipment on the 16 was Harman Kardon surround sound, satellite radio with service for a year, and comfort access, complete keyless entry. Base price went up about $1,200, but the retail on those 3 items is over $1,700. So BMW definitely does nice things, or gives you a lot of nice things, features and benefits when they do raise the base price on these cars. Here's your final assembly. Let's go ahead and get inside. Main reason for this video, really, I know it's going to be pretty short, was mainly the color. That's one reason why I wanted to do this. But let's go inside and do a quick review with Trisha with some of the other stuff they've done on the 16, guys. Real quick, I'll show you. Highlights, as you can see, around the vents. Also the black highlight here, black, basically, what would you call it, black chrome or a shiny smooth surface they did around here. Also the pearlescent chrome signatures they've done on some of the buttons here. Also there is an Aviance light that will shine up at night all the way around this trim, so really cool. Also the signature carbon fiber got across the dash. I'll show you the roof when we go outside. Got your deep cup holders. And then what about the transmission? We got a double clutch transmission, 7-speed. Trish, go ahead and tell us about the buttons there.
All right, so these are your individual buttons for your driving style. So you have your
that's your engine management.
Yep, engine management. You have your suspension here and your steering.
Yeah, so that way you can really dial it in. And she can push some of the buttons, guys, and she can show you the different features there that you can, you know, put them in. And then also when you do set up all 3 of them, then what's nice is you can do a quick save to your M1 and M2 buttons there. So you can really have a nice setup for a quick getaway feature, if you want to call it that. And then I know we've all liked the steering wheel. Go ahead and talk about that.
All right, so this is the BMW M3 signature stitching. You have the red and the blue. Very nice detailed touch. You have your paddle shifters left and right. So this is going to change gears for the vehicle as opposed to using the manual center transmission.
Center controller there.
You have your volume control here on the steering wheel, heads-up display controls, your cruise control over here, and like Scott was mentioning, your M1 and M2, which is your preset driving styles.
Cool, and then you've also got your nice signature M there at the bottom of the steering wheel there. Then also you guys can see across the door you got the signature stitching. Really nice styling, a little bit more attitude. Also, I'll swing over here. There's your Harman Kardon signature, one of your speakers there with a nice little indicator letting you know it's the upgraded system. Good sized glove box also. So, and then Trish, did you want to get that going on the iDrive? I'll just do a panoramic around here just to show the exclusive stitching of the M3. So guys, you can see you got a completely different style headrest with the M's. Also the stitching in the seat. And this is the Napa leather, so it's less grainy than our Dakotas that you see, which is still a great leather that we put in some of our other models. Also the armrest, nice and padded. And let's show in here real quick. Got your USB there, also a place for aux if you need to, and some decent storage. Go ahead, Trish. Let's talk about what you got going on in here.
Okay, so we're going to show you guys the 4G. You can see here, Bmw Online Services. We've covered this in previous videos, but we just wanted to highlight this feature once again. So this is going to be the Bmw Online Services, and you have access to news and weather in the particular area that you're interested in. You can see here in sunny California, Westlake Village is currently 82 degrees. So we haven't experienced winter quite yet, so we will hang on to summer.
Definitely, yeah.
Yes. And then you do have online search and applications.
That's Google powered.
Yes.
But yeah, so that's Google powered, which is great.
We have Office, which will, this will pull up your text messages, Scott?
Well, a lot of different things. Yeah, it'll do that through the phone. So there's a lot of different neat features you can do integrating with your phone. So yeah, it's really nice. So there's even text, there's emails and different things, depending on your software level and your phone, guys, Android or Apple. So keep your fingers crossed that that feature would be fully functional. The relationship between BMW and Apple has changed over the years and things, but definitely if hopefully you hook up your phone and things work, then be happy.
Applications here, you can go ahead and click on that, and it will give you access to the fuel price search, news information, parking information. You can even look at pictures at your destination, so that's really lovely. And my favorite feature on the online services is Yelp. So a lot of you are familiar with Yelp. You can go online and look at restaurant ratings in any area that you're interested in. It will not show you the actual reviews, but it shows you the star ratings. And let's see if it will load for us quickly here. We do have a little bit of coverage over our antenna. So you can see here you have access to restaurants, cafes, shopping, nightlife, and once you choose a destination that you're interested in, you can actually call the location right here from your iDrive, or you can get directions as well. So
oh, nice.
You can see here, accept destination. With one button, you will be traveling to the restaurant of your choice. So it makes it really streamlined for the user.
That's cool. So it was a quick overview today, guys. Let's go outside. I'll show you the carbon fiber roof and then the color again. Let's do that. So the carbon fiber roof is something signature that we do get with some of the M cars, guys. It does drop the center of gravity just a little bit. As we know, it's stronger and lighter than steel, so it's nice. And it's a great ambiance that you have on the car. So let's do another shot on the outside here. Cool. You guys, if you're looking for a car, head over to the About section of my channel and send me an email, especially if you want this one. Thanks, Trish.
Bye, guys.
Bye.